welcome back to BeFabulousMakeup. So today, the look that I created here, I wanted to use the ColourPop Supernova shadow that I got. If you watch the green look tutorial that I had with the green eyeshadow, the green lips, it was a ColourPop Supernova shadow as well. And I am using the shade Empress. I'm using the shade Empress, and this is what it looks like. I have that on top, and underneath I use the ColourPop shadow in Weenie, and this is what this looks like. So I'm not talking as I'm going through this video today, but I have been loving, I just want to let you know that I have been loving the Maybelline Superstay. This is like my #1 go-to foundation these days. I am in the shade 334 Warm Sun, and because this is such a full coverage and it is summertime, I have been thinning it out with the L'Oreal Infallible, the Pro Glow, I believe this is. Yeah, the Pro Glow. And I'm in the shade 210 in this one. So these two together have really been working out for me. So I've been using a combination of the two, and I'm using a lot of Maybelline products today, along with the 2 stars of the tutorial, the ColourPop. But I'm using the Maybelline, the bronzing and highlighting palette, as well as the, if you have not tried the Maybelline loose powders, those are so good. So I've been loving that as well. So if you want to know how I created this look, just keep on watching.
you.